Welcome back to my channel Shreeliti Makeup Artist. Today I'll be showing a DIY face scrub. I've already done few face scrubs, DIY face scrubs. If you're not seeing that, I'll be sharing the link in the description. You can go and watch that, and it will be useful for all skin types. And as it is a DIY face scrubs, we are doing it from the house. Whichever things available from the house, we are doing it from that. So you'll not have any side effects or nothing. So let's get into the video. So first we have to cleanse the face. For cleansing the face, I am using curd. Curd is actually very good to cleanse the face. So you can use this cotton pad and apply. I'm just taking a little bit of curd and applying all over my face to cleanse. Now we are using this rice flour. 1 spoon of rice flour is enough. And for mixing, we are taking this 1 spoon of curd. So let's mix it. Rice flour can dry the face, so we are using curd because it moisturizes the skin. Rice flour actually helps to whiten your skin, it brightens, and it tightens your skin. So we have applied all over. Now we will start scrubbing very gently in circular motion. So scrubbing is done. I'll just let it to dry for 10 minutes. So when you're letting it to dry, you should not speak because, as I told, it has the tendency to break. It dries your skin. So, and it helps to tighten your skin. So for 10 minutes, just relax. Let it dry. After it's dried, just use lukewarm water in a circular motion. You can wash it up. I washed my face. Now the next step, ice cube. I've already showed why we're using ice cube in the last video. If you're not seen that, I'll be sharing the link. You can just have a look on that. So I'll just tell you the benefits of the scrub. It this rice flour helps to brighten and tighten your skin, and curd helps to moisturize your skin. So your skin feels like a baby skin. It will be very clear and smooth. So you can try and let me know. I hope you like this video. For many more videos like this, you have to subscribe my channel, so you'll be getting instant notification. Please like, share and comment. Shreeliti signing off. Bye.